Hi there guys, hope you are doing great. Oz is back. I'm going to show you a Jeff Loomis sweep picking action. The song name is Miles of Machines. Before getting started, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because just 10 or 13% of you are my subscribers. So let's get started. Okay guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to support my channel, you can join my Patreon page. And if you have any questions, you can write down below. Thanks a lot guys. Cheers.